Does Pennsylvania Dutch Egg Nog need to be refrigerated? Pennsylvania Dutch Egg Nog, 14.75% ABV, does not require refrigeration before opening, as it is shelf-stable, but it must be refrigerated after opening to maintain quality and taste. While alcohol content allows it to be stored at room temperature when sealed, it is best served chilled, say Pennsylvania Dutch and other sources. Here are some storage guidelines. Unopened. Store in a cool, dark place, 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. Opened. Refrigerate after opening. Shelf life. Once opened, it should be consumed within a reasonable time frame, often recommended within 7 days, note consumers. Always check for signs of spoilage, such as a sour smell or altered texture, if the bottle has been open for an extended period, say sources.